Imagine you're an astronomer. You've spent your entire career building the most powerful telescope in human history. It costs $10 billion. It takes 30 years to build. You point it at the early universe, expecting to see baby galaxies, small, chaotic, still forming. Instead, you find this, a galaxy, fully grown, already dead, and it refuses to spin. Scientists have one word for it, impossible. But James Webb doesn't lie, and that's what's terrifying. Welcome back. Today we're talking about a discovery so strange, it's forcing scientists to rewrite the rules of how the universe works. Just days ago, in May 2026, astronomers published a paper in Nature Astronomy. They found a galaxy called XMM-VID1-2075. It exists 12 billion light years away, meaning we're seeing it as it was just 1.8 billion years after the Big Bang. That's incredibly early. The universe was basically a toddler, but this galaxy, it looks like a 100-year-old man. Here's what makes this so weird. Every galaxy spins. Our Milky Way spins. Andromeda spins. It's one of the most basic rules of the cosmos. Galaxies rotate. But XMM-VID1-2075 doesn't spin at all. Scientists call this a slow rotator, a galaxy where stars move in random directions instead of orbiting a central axis, like a beehive instead of a whirlpool. Here's the problem. Slow rotators are supposed to take 10 billion years to form. They need dozens of massive collisions to slowly grind away rotation over billions of years. This galaxy did it in less than 2 billion years. That's like finding a 90-year-old man who was born yesterday. The team that found it, led by UC Davis scientist Ben Forrest, described it simply. This is something the standard playbook says should not yet exist. This isn't just one weird galaxy. James Webb has now found dozens of objects in the early universe that break our models. Galaxies that are too massive, too early. Black holes that grew too fast. And now, a galaxy that aged in fast forward. Scientists have a phrase for this, the early universe crisis. Our best computer simulations, the ones that took decades to build, cannot explain what Webb is showing us. Either the universe found a shortcut we don't understand, or our entire model of how galaxies form needs to be thrown out and rebuilt. One leading theory? Something called black hole feedback, where a supermassive black hole in the galaxy's center released so much energy it shut down star formation and killed the galaxy's rotation at the same time, like slamming the brakes at full speed. But even that doesn't fully explain it. What James Webb is doing right now is unlike anything in the history of science. Every few weeks, it hands astronomers something they weren't prepared for. It's not just finding new things, it's breaking things we thought we knew. The Big Bang happened 13.8 billion years ago. We thought we understood the timeline. We thought we knew when galaxies were born, when they grew up, when they died. Webb is showing us we didn't know anything. And honestly, that's the most exciting thing in science right now. So here's my question for you. Drop it in the comments. Do you think James Webb will eventually break the Big Bang theory completely? If you want to see more videos like this, real discoveries, explained simply, hit subscribe. New video every week. See you in the next one.